Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. So let us continue where we have left before, and that is silver. I'm going to give you a look at the gold chart also, where it will be going now. So at almost at here, this level, I was telling everyone not to buy at all. I think our founder also was keep on sharing this level on our channel also, that do not buy for silver as of now because it's going to go deep down, and that has been done. Now it has taken the support also. Earlier, when I think almost in December or something, I have given the support level of 69 to 68 USD. Almost the price is nearby that only, but as there were a lot of buying pressure in between the zone and between the levels of like 71 to 70, there where which this lowest low has been made. Now there are the entrance of the buyers here. Prices are going up. We're already in the call in the buy side of silver. For these kinds of updates, I have already posted on the channel here. You can go to our TradingView profile and you find the link. So from here, it will be going up, but it is still not done. It is still not the bullish run for the silver as of now. It will be going up. It might be retesting the 25 high also, because as it is inside the bear zone, which if in my earlier video I told you that once the price will be going below the 2025 high price of 84 USD, it will be going down till like 73 to 75 range. That has been following the rules, and it is respecting the levels projected. So we have the immediate resistance at 84 USD as of now. If the price is breaking 84 to 85 of this range, it will be testing this range as support as 25. Then we are back to the bullish zone. Okay, so make sure, if you are in the buy side, if you are riding the same boat which we are right now for the buy side, we are very careful at 84 USD. So you also be very careful at this level, because if this level is being tested as resistance and it fails to breach and taken as a support, it will be continuing the fall till the downside levels of 69 68 USD, and deep down like 65 to 60 also. Okay, so these are the levels here. Let me go to the week daily chart here. Yeah, this one. So this will be level, as I was marking, that it will be a step down approach for the silver. So that's why be very careful if you're riding along for the buys here. Do not go for the buy now, because your SL at this time is very bad. Because I'll just give you a very simple example of the long position. So if you're going buy here, your SL will be at least this point. You should be at least this point, and your first target will be, as I tell you, this. Or let's make it at like, see the ratio which you are having. The risk to reward ratio is 0.29. It's not even 0.50. It's not even 1:1. So going on now will be bad. If the second entry, the second best possible entry would be the breakout and test of 2025 high as a support. Now going to the ZAO USD, that is gold. So there was an unfilled gap in the close of November 2024. This one imbalance was to November 2025 close to January 30, 26. It is January 26 open. So that close has still not been done. That imbalance has still not been done. Although the gap in 16th to 19th Jan, this gap has been filled properly, and the gold prices, the close. If so, personally, I consider the close as the most important level of any decision. I will not go for the lowest lows or the highest highs. The close is the most important thing, which I take into consideration while taking any decision for the trading strategy. So if we talk in that manner, then this close has respected the level of 2025 high of 4550 USD very beautifully. You can see how beautifully the close and the open are here of these two candles. If we talk about the price action, how beautiful they have been. So In that sense, it is still in the buying zone. So gold is still bullish because it has filled the gap here. It has tested the 2025 as the support, but still, if we talk about a conservative way of entry, not only just a breakout like this, a retest of this gap will be a decisive factor for continuation of the bullish run. And one more thing is that if the price is, see, you can see the resistance line here. It has just stopped, as while we're talking, it has just stopped here. So technically, if the price is going back here, it will be testing the gap again, and then might be going back up. So higher side, if I say, for the buy, or for another second level of entry for a gold, will be either on the test of, it is going back down the test here and then breaching out, or you can take the first entry here. It will be good entry because your SL will be below this unfilled gap. That is, now it's filled gap, so it is like 45.98, almost around 45.95. This will be a good entry, first entry, if not aggressive. When the price is going back, it is getting into this resistance zone and testing it as a support here. And this is again your second point of entry. From here, the target will be upside one. Okay, first target will be this. I'll mark it back again for you for clear one. So this will be the first target. Okay, and the second target, when this line is breached, will be last week's low, that is 4,990. Still, you have to be very very careful, because when the prices will be going up, people will be very eager to take their profits out, or the people who are already trapped in this selling zone, to minimize their losses, they will be definitely exiting their trades. So you have to be very careful when you are taking these kinds of trades, when there is a huge, just a kind of a parabolic fall here. So you have to be very very careful with this. So this is all what gold is about. In my opinion, it might be falling back again, but for that 2025 high of 4,550 USD, it has to be breached properly. It has to be retested at the support, and when once it is retested, it will be definitely going and checking the lows of 4,350, this price here as the next target of the downside one. So it is all about the gold and silver. I've tried to make as explanatory, as clear as possible, but still, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to drop in your comments here. Make good profits, keep your risk calculated, do not go beyond that. Make good profits, and wishing you a very profitable week ahead.